trying to use up some of my old plumbing stuff, and I know this won't fit, so I'm going to cut a notch in here real quick to where I can get it in there a little better. Looks like it might work. Oh, that looks like that'll work great. So now I got to drill holes. You want to make sure your holes are big enough that water will drain through, but not so big that the peat moss will go through. Let's make sure your water drains out or water seeps out into your moss when this is full. You want to make sure that the water level is always below whatever your water is below. You want an air pocket, that's what I should say, in here, because the roots will stop and won't go into the water and waterlog themselves. So once it hits an air pocket, which that's what you're wanting to make in here, and it don't have to be much, then your roots won't get down in there and rot and waterlog and everything else. So that's what the pipe is, just to hold water and to make an air pocket in between the bottom of the dirt and the water. So that's what it's for. So you could use 4-inch perforated pipe. I'm just trying to use up what I got I've had for years, and it's just scrap. So I won't be using it for anything else. So I have 4-inch perforated pipe, and I'm going to be making a wooden raised bed that I'm going to use an old pool liner in, and I'll use the 4-inch perforated pipe in the bottom of it. And I will find a different way, a cheaper way, because that is very, very expensive to build one bed. It takes almost 100 foot of pipe to fill the bottom of a 4x8 raised bed. So I got that done. I'm going to get the tape and the hummingbird. Get the tape and the landscaping fabric, and I'll tape these up, and we'll move on to that part. Thank you. I gotta double check this. Yeah, I made it a little bigger than it needs to be, but...
All I did was cut it in half and then cut it in half again.
Yeah. That'll give me 4 ends, so that'll work. I made it a little big the other way, but that's alright. Hope my scissors...
Oh.
It's whatever you think half is, babe. Alright, that ought to do it. Huh, had dirt in that one. I just gotta pull this tight. Started a little crooked, but it'll work. Should stay on. Once I get it down in there, it won't matter. Man, that stuff is super sticky and super tough. Man alive.
Guy's got some guts.
Yeah, he's pretty brave, ain't he? Alright.
Whew!
Incoming.
Yeah! That's for sure.
And he just barely missed my shoulders.
He likes my flowers.
Huh?
He likes my flowers.
Yeah, well, get them out and planted here shortly. Just gotta get all this other stuff done so we can get our garden in better shape. He's been about the bravest one we've ever had here.
I think that's the bully.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the bully, but I mean, that's the...
Yeah, I've never had one quite that brave.
Within 3 feet of him and on either feeder, and he's like bombing us. is in place. Next thing is peep. Oh, I gotta do drain. Almost forgot. I was in a hurry yesterday when I did all this. So. Peat moss. Start watering it down now. Put a little more on it. Sure it's got it. Should be good on that. Alright, this is potting soil. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of what they call Miracle-Gro garden soil. It's kind of both of them is decomposing wood chips. Some of them is a little bigger than the others, but I'm going to mix it up. So, plastic. That is why I absolutely hate buying soils, but it's a quick fix for now. And I like screening my soils. I don't like these big wood chips in my soil. I mean, they're not bad. And it'd be great if it was mine, but I don't know where all that crap comes from. The reason I went to pipe over rock, even though rock will work, is the weight. Them other buckets are heavy as heck. This is not that bad. It don't even, I mean, if it was completely soaking wet and the water was draining out of them, I do believe it'd still be way lighter than a 5-gallon bucket of water. Anyway, I hope that one was a little better on the wicking buckets. Hope it was informative. Hope it helps you out. I hope I explained it enough. And if you got any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section. I'll get to them as quick as I can. Do something you enjoy. Enjoy doing this. So, like I said, do something you enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.